This is one of the underground experiences you can enjoy when in Lecce. Everyone, today we are in Lecce. We are in Palazzo Vernazza. Palazzo Vernazza is one of the things to do in Lecce. Let's go to discover together this beautiful building. Andiamo. In Palazzo Vernazza area, the archaeological excavation discovered the sanctuary of Isis. This is the reconstruction of the Roman era. This is where we are in Palazzo Vernazza, and was closed the Roman theater and closed the amphitheater. Now let's go to discover the Palazzo Vernazza, where you can enjoy a digital experience with glasses, and you can see the reconstruction of the old Roman building. Andiamo. I'm waiting the guy to discover the building because I will use the Oculus, the glasses. We go in the underground to see the excavation and the digital reconstruction of the temple of Isis. This is one of the places we can touch during excursions in Lecce Sotterraneo, in the underground Lecce. You can see the experience we provide in the description. Okay, Mario is ready to accompany me to discover the underground. Ecco Mario.
On the right.
This temple was discovered by the owner of the building during the restoration. This was on 15 years ago about, and we are in the one room of the temple dedicated to the Isis, and it's very stunning because we have the Luscal basin. Is very technological because you can see the pictures of the reconstruction using the tablet reception give you when you buy the tickets.
The thing is that one which was filled by the water imported from the Nile River in Egypt.
Okay.
This is the purgatory. It's like a pool where the faithful immerse themselves in water to perform the purification rites typical of the Isis cult.
Wow. This is the reconstruction of the temple. It's not the original because it's a very important evidence, and this is the reconstruction. This is the lapidarium.
This is stone related to the 16th century, mostly the start of the Baroque village.
Now we are going on the underground section of this building to discover the oil tanks from 16th century. This is the tank for the water from here. This is the cave.
The discovery of this.
This is the oil tanks room for the storage of the lamp oil. The Apulian lamp oil was considered gold because of their quality. Gallipoli was the port from where the oil was exported to the Europe for private and public utility. You can see the tanks here. Giusto per fare il fondo da notte profonda. Per fare un po'. Wow. Another tank for the water.
This is part of the road that once connect the Isis temple to the center of the Roman Lecce city.
Wow. Okay, let's go. Io lo seguo. This is the room where you can use the Oculus, the glasses, to discover the history of this building, of this Roman temple dedicated to the Isis. Now the guy is just setting the. Okay. Well, we try. It's technologic. In questo momento, scusa, da questo momento io non vedrò più. It's strange because you need to select the language using the eyes, and you wait. Ok,
Ma tu devi stare al centro, no? Di questo monitorino.
Sì, sì. English.
Wait, aspetta. Ok, rimani.
Wow.
Ok.
Now I'm.
In the mythology of ancient Egypt,
It's a
Isis,
stereophonic.
goddess of the earth, the moon, and fertility, was
And
the
you
sister
see
and wife of the
the-
god Osiris, who civilized his people with the teaching of law and agriculture. The divine couple reigned on the land
Wow.
of the Nile until Seth, the god of storm and chaos, decided to kill Osiris, who, thanks to
Oh,
the
guys, it's
magical
one
arts
of things
Isis,
to do when in
temporarily
lecture.
returns to life to create Horus. In fact, Osiris, risen as a spirit, became the lord of the underworld.
And,
while
si può mettere
Horus,
anche la
who
pausa?
inherited the powers
No.
of his father, won the fight against Seth
Vuoi
and
staccare?
reigned on Earth together with his
Sì.
mother Isis.
Ti tocca la maschera, tieni la GoPro, sai?
Aspetta, facciamo così. La togli tu?
Sì, come preferisci.
Toglilo un attimo.
Sì.
Wow. Is standing is wow. You need to see because you see you listen in stereophonic sound and see in three-dimensional 3D you are wow. Bello. Another room with this is the main room of the building. Was the room of the watchtower at Guarda, and is used for the events.